Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about JD.com Chinese shopping app, and in today's video I will show you complete identity verification of JD shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 168A, Taobao, pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your JD shopping app. Have you opened up your JD shopping app? Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select login with WeChat. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to continue. Go ahead and click on accept and continue. Now you are here. So at this point here, identity verification is required. For that, go ahead and click on here. The next thing we want to do is to make sure we translate this page right here. For that, go ahead and make a screenshot. Having made a screenshot, next thing we want to do is to exit from here. Then we go ahead and open our Chrome browser. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and make use of our camera icon right here. Upload the screenshot. Choose translate. Here we go. So the first one here is where you fill your name, then the document type, the ID number. So let's go ahead and fill up our name as you have it on your ID. So I'm going to click on here now and enter my name, all caps. Having entered your name, go ahead. Having entered your name, go ahead and click on here. Then you have to scroll down right here and make sure you choose these options right here. Next thing you want to do is to make another translate. So I'm going to go ahead and screenshot this part. Then go ahead and upload it in our Google Lens right here. Select the screenshot. Then fill in the ID number, select nationality and date of birth. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and fill up the ID number. So right here, we have to fill up the ID number on our international passport or whatever ID you want to use. Having filled up the ID number, go ahead and click on here to choose nationality. So from the drop down right here, you have to choose your nationality right here. So I'm going to go ahead and make a screenshot and translate all this. So I'm going to screenshot this first. So you have to keep on doing it until you see your country. Go. You can see Nigerian right here. The next thing we want to do is to go ahead and choose this one right here as my country, Nigerian. So let's go ahead and make another screenshot. And I'll come back here, upload the screenshot. So Nigerian, the next one here is date of birth. So we have to go back right here. We'll make sure we click on here to choose date of birth. So here we go. So you have to set your date of birth right here. Then right here, we have to select month. Then we have to select day. Then finally, we click on here to accept. Done. You can see date of birth set. Next thing we want to do is to click on here to continue. The next thing we want to do is to go ahead and we'll click on here, start verification. Then they're going to go ahead and click on allow. Then start your verification.